Hi, we are going to see what is center of gravity and centroid and how can we find centroid of an uneven shape. Center of gravity. The center of gravity of a body is the point at which all the mass of the body may be assumed to be concentrated. The point through which the gravity force is considered to act vertically downward. The point about which the body will be in equilibrium, body will be in stable condition. This is the equation to find out center of gravity with respect to given axis. Centroid. The centroid of an area is situated at its geometrical center. If each area was suspended from centroid, it would balance. The centroid is denoted by capital G. This is the formula to find out centroid where A is the area of a given shape. This is the final formula with respect to given axis, summation of AIXI divided by summation of area, summation of AIYI divided by summation of area, where x is the distance from y-axis and y is the distance from x-axis. This is the final equation to find out centroid and center of gravity with respect to for wire element, for any composite area, for volume. These are some centroid location and area. You can see for circular sector area, this is the area formula and this is the centroid. For quarter circle area, the formula is this one and this is your centroid. Here is the centroid. Here. For rectangle, it is at the center. For triangle, it is 1/3 of h. Let us see the example. Find the centroid of a given uneven shape with respect to axis. Uneven shape is given, the dimensions are given, it is given all dimensions are in centimeter. Let us see how to solve this. The uneven shape is given, this is not symmetrical, the dimensions are given in centimeter. Now, the first step is we need to locate the axis. Let us see. Okay. X-axis and y-axis. Now, with respect to given axis, we need to find centroid of the whole uneven shape. Okay. So, first of all, we need to divide whole shape into known shape. Let us see. Okay. Now, this is rectangle. This is triangle. This is semicircle. We know the area of all these three shapes and we know the centroid of all these three shapes. So using that, we can find the centroid of whole uneven area. So this is our first, second and third shape. So for the calculation part, semicircle, whatever the area, pi by 2 r square, the distance of CG from y-axis, that will give us x bar. The distance of CG from x-axis, that will give us y bar. So for semicircle area pi by 2 r square, for rectangle area 10 into 20 L by B, for triangle 1/2 BH. Now distance of CG for semicircle, it will be from y-axis, this is radius, so it is 10. For rectangle, it will be 10 at the center. Centroid will be at the center. And for triangle shape, it is 1/3 of B plus 20. Same way, distance of CG from x-axis. This distance for rectangle, this distance, and for triangle, 1/3 this distance. And finally, using this formula, we can easily find centroid. So centroid is given by a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a3x3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3, and y is given by a1y1 plus a2y2 plus a3y3 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3. So finally we get x is equal to 8.69 and y is equal to 11.02 centimeters somewhere over here. So finally for the whole shape. So finally we found the centroid of this uneven shape in centimeter. Thank you.